This episode of The Goofy Blonde Chef is brought to you by Coffee Over Cardio. Click the link below and use code 10 Goofy Blonde Chef for 10% off. Hey, and welcome back to The Goofy Blonde Chef. I'm Lisa Torch, your host, and today we're going to make a pecan thumbprint cookie. These are absolutely delicious. There's no sugar at all, no flour. They're low carb, keto, not really low calorie, but sometimes you just have to have a little splurge. So, you're going to love them. Here we go. So I'm going to show you the ingredients for these low carb pecan thumbprint cookies. I'm going to do a half a cup of almond flour. This is a little tiny bit over half a cup. And 1 cup of ground pecans. I buzz those in the food processor for about 10 seconds. A 1/4 cup of cream cheese. A 1/4 cup of grass-fed butter. I used Kerrygold. Some vanilla, an egg. And this is a 1/4 cup of Swerve. And that's an erythritol granulated sweetener. And some sugar-free jam, which we're using peach today. This is going to be yummy. So I have turned the oven to 350 degrees to preheat, and I've prepared a sheet pan with some parchment paper. And now we're going to put our fats and our eggs into the bowl, and then we're going to combine in the almond flour and the pecans. So here we go. Some butter, cream cheese. Mix that up with the erythritol and the egg. So let's start combining all that. It's going to take me a minute, so we'll be back. Now this is all pretty well combined. And now I'm going to add the pecans and the almond. And we're dropping things. And we're going to stir this once again until our dough forms. Now we have our dough. I'm going to add in a few drops of vanilla and combine this a little bit more. And we're ready to form our cookies. We should make about 20 small thumbprint cookies. And I add the jam after we bake it. Well, this actually made 15. So the oven's preheated. I'm going to pop these in for 12 to 15 minutes. I'm going to watch them closely because the bottoms get really brown quickly. Okay, these are out. I'm going to let them cool really well before I fill them with the peach jam. Then we're going to try them. So we did half strawberry because I had a little bit of strawberry jam left and half peach. These are looking lovely and they're perfect with a cup of tea or some coffee or some iced tea or lemonade, you name it. So we're going to try them soon. So these are cooled. I'm going to take a bite. This is going to be really good. Okay, so there's our recipe. That's our show for this week. I'm going to eat way too many of these. It's going to blow my macros for the day, but oh well, it's the 4th of July. So, in any event, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment if you're so inclined. And we'll be back next time on The Goofy Blonde Chef. Thanks so much for watching.